Anything I can do to help?
Actually, there is. Chandler usually helps me with this, but he's really into the game, so I don't want to bother him. Could you help me fold these napkins?
Sure. Hey, Dad.
Sorry to bother you again, but could you pass my pamphlets back? Thank you.
Excuse me?
Oh, yeah. Probably don't even remember my name. It's Joey, by the way. And don't bother telling me yours because I totally remember it, lady. Yeah, I waited weeks for you to call me.
I gave you my number. You never called me.
No, don't try.
Sandra's mad at you, too. It doesn't bother you?
No, look, we've apologized twice, and I can't do any more than that.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word bother. It means to give trouble to, annoy, pester, worry. His baby sister bothered him for candy. Also means to bewilder, confuse. His inability to understand the joke bothered him. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce bother, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to both. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how bother is used in real life.
Well, the divorces don't bother me. I date them, but not.
Well, that was back in high school. How could that still bother you?
I mean, why?
Yes, it does bother me. I think it would bother a lot of people.
That's great, but isn't it going to bother you that people still think you're a porn star? And don't bother telling me yours because I totally remember it, lady.
Oh, don't even bother.
Chandler usually helps me with this, but he's really into the game, so I don't want to bother him. Sandra's mad at you, too. It doesn't bother you?
No, look.
Rachel, when you were going out with Ross, did it bother you when he flirted with other women?
We don't need any toner.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm sorry to bother you. Bye-bye.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.